We have some breaking news coming in. India Today has now accessed one of those audio clips which Congress claims that shows Sachin Pilot aide MLA Bhavar Lal allegedly claiming of toppling the government with a BJP leader. Here is the audio clip that India Today has accessed. Let's take a quick listen to this audio clip, an exclusive India Today exclusive there. India Today accessing this clip of alleged Congress MLA Bhavar Lal in conversation with the BJP neta.
हेलो।
हाँ ठीक है साहब, बढ़िया हो, सारी बातचीत हुई, एकदम खुल गया, अब कोई शंका को नहीं।
अब
क्या बात होगी?
बोलिए तीर भराओ जी आप।
हाँ ठीक है।
सरकार तो रहने को नहीं, सारी बर्खास्त करनी पड़ी।
हाँ बात तो ठीक है, बाकी आप जो एक बार ये सारी संख्या पर और उसे हमने आज ही शुरू जो प्रोग्राम किए वो बता दिया आप।
हाँ ठीक है।
जो बात तुरंत व्यवस्था मैं आपने कह दिया, मेरे जिम्मे है आदरी और बनकीरदारी जी।
ठीक है।
और अभी साहब नवी ने कह दिया भी बात सचिन जी की तरफ हूँ, लिस्ट को नहीं आवे और बाकी बात बढ़िया होगी कहती मैं सारी बात गोपनीय रहेगी, सिर्फ ठेसियां सब अपनी मैं करवा रहे हूँ।
Let's quickly cut across to Maushami joining us for more details. Maushami, an audio clip that has been accessed by India Today. Take us through the details of it here. We hear Congress leader MLA Bhavar Lal allegedly speaking about toppling the Congress government with a BJP leader, Sanjay Jain.
That's right. You know, the Congress party has released this audio this morning. There were reports that the OSD of Ashok Gehlot circulated these videos. However, the Congress didn't come on the front last night, but today in the morning, Randeep Surjewala, they held a detailed press conference, and that audio that you really played right now, that audio in specific is about a conversation allegedly between Bhavar Lal Sharma and Sanjay Jain, who's allegedly close to the Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. So Congress claims that this conversation was held in the light of exchange of some interest, some money, and it alleges that not only Bhavar Lal Sharma, he also was guaranteeing that another CPM MLA would also be brought into the party fold. There are two audio clips. The second audio clip also has a conversation where he is patching the phone with some other person, so-called Gajendra Singh. Now the Union Minister has said that there are many Gajendra Singhs in Rajasthan. Which Gajendra Singh are they talking about? And he's also said that the language is different from the language he speaks. So allegations and counter allegations, but Congress now is talking about the audio tapes, saying that this is a conflict of interest, it is a conspiracy to bring down the government, it is a grievous corruption charge that is being put, and that's why they have taken action against Bhavar Lal Sharma and Vishwendra Singh. Now Vishwendra Singh is another key. That audio, apparently our sources say in the Congress, has not been released, but they have more tapes that really link the senior leaders in the Sachin Pilot camp, and the Congress is saying that if it comes to naught, they will release those audio tapes. But on these tapes, the FIR has been lodged, 120A, 120B of conspiracy and sedition. Right. So, though the FIR specifically doesn't name anybody, but the team would be investigating and also questioning the various MLAs in the pilot camp.
Right, absolutely, Maushami. This has come as a big blow to Sachin Pilot's camp. If at all proven to be true, then this is a serious charge. Undoubtedly, audio clipping that has surfaced showing allegedly a conversation between Bhavar Lal from the Congress, Sachin Pilot's camp, and he's having a conversation with Sanjay Jain, who is a BJP leader. The conversation between the two is how to topple the Gehlot government. And here is Sanjay Jain and Bhavar Lal in conversation as per this audio clip. Now, this has to be verified. India Today does not verify this audio clipping, but nonetheless, this is what has been released and accessed by the channel. Congress party there entirely backing this audio, calling this to be true and saying that basis on this, an FIR, a complaint has been filed. On basis of this audio clip, Bhavar Lal and another Congress MLA has been suspended.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.